Hi everyone, welcome to Focus 15 with the Spanish Grammar Guy. I'm here to help you with your Spanish grammar. Today we're going to explore the use of articles in the Spanish language. Just like in English, articles play an essential role in defining nouns. In Spanish, we have two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Let's break these down with some examples. So definite articles refer to specific nouns and are equivalent to the use of the in English. In Spanish, we have four forms depending on the gender and the number of the noun. For example, if we look at the masculine singular definite article, we have an example here, el perro, the dog, or a feminine singular definite article, for example, la casa, the house. When we have a masculine plural definite article, it will be los. For example, los gatos, the cats, and a feminine plural definite article, las flores, for the flowers. So when you are using a definite article, you are specifying a particular noun. For instance, if I say el coche rojo, the red car, I'm talking about a specific red car, not just any car. So moving on to indefinite articles, they refer to non-specific nouns and are equivalent to a or an in English. And here are the forms in Spanish. Un niño, a boy. This is the masculine singular indefinite article. For the feminine singular indefinite article, we have una niña, a girl. The masculine plural indefinite article, unos. For example, unos libros, some books. And the feminine plural indefinite article, unas. For example, unas manzanas, some apples. So using an indefinite article means that you're referring to any member of a group. For instance, when I say una guitarra, I might be talking about any guitar, not a specific one. So in summary, articles in Spanish help us identify whether we're talking about something specific or something more general. Learning how to use them correctly will enhance your Spanish speaking and writing significantly. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe to Focus 15 with the Spanish Grammar Guy and see you soon. Hasta luego.